Welcome to the Blog Rope channel, everyone. We love to share with you the best list information content around the world. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel for our latest videos and push the notification bell so that you get inspired every day. No matter what, cheap is something we always get attracted to. But it's a bonus if it's a combination of cheap and quality. This is an ultimate guide for the 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2019. Traveling without breaking your piggy bank is something we all look forward to. Just packing in a few necessities and flying off to leave your imprint on the world. Here is a checklist of some important things while you plan a trip to cheap countries. A good phone with the right apps, light baggage, tons of clean water, and a hell of a lot of guts. Relax, everything will fall in place. The world is full of adventure and affordable destinations. To be honest, no destination is really just too expensive. Just like life is all about the highs and lows, so are the places to travel, cheapest to the most expensive. What really matters is how much fun and contentment you are seeking out of your travels. So buckle up to explore the 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2019 and get the best value for money, meeting new travelers, and thriving on local delicacies. Number 1. Nepal. Nepal welcomes are the best. They are captivating with their traditional drinks and infrastructure. It's number 1 amongst the 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2019. It is all touristy with its cheap transportation. The stay and food costs around $25 on average. Except in the capital city of Kathmandu, the price of almost everything drops significantly. Number 2. Iran. Rich in Islamic architecture, Iran is one of the most overlooked countries in terms of budget. It will give you an enriching experience if you are a backpacker fully booted for a hike. The best part is the rich culture and heartwarming people who will always offer a person in need supper and a stay. Number 3. Venezuela. You are sure to be mesmerized with Venezuela's vibrant colors. With hardly 50 cents for a beer, Venezuela is one of the 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2019. One can stay in a 5-star here for just $2 a night. Now, make sure to highlight this one on your bucket list. Number 4. Cambodia. This country has upgraded its lifestyle over the past few years, but one may still manage a budget room and local beers for about $5. It has been attracting tourists all over the world with its ancient temples, gleamy beaches, and fascinating history. Number 5. India. Seeking adventures and inner peace, India is the place to be. You can ramble in this country comfortably for $15 a day. For a real taste of adventure, explore the hills in the east, beaches in the south, Rann of Kutch in the west, and the Taj Mahal in the north. Number 6. Turkey. Well, staying is never an issue in Turkey. If you have a tent, Turkey is the place to be. Known for its beautiful caves, one can survive with just a sleeping bag, gazing over the vast sky. It's one of the best ways to travel to Asia via Europe. Number 7. Portugal. At number 7, we have Portugal in the 10 most cheapest places to travel in 2019. Shout out to all the beach bums for an affordable and sun-soaked vacation. Cities like Albufeira is known to boast the perfect climate and inexpensive apartments and hotels. So rent a car, which is of course cheap, and drive around this piece of heaven. Number 8. Mexico. Words can never seem to do justice to a country like Mexico. Known for its glittery beaches, tropical forests, sunlit deserts, and blingy cities, it is number 8 amongst the 10 cheapest countries to travel in 2019. Backpacking in Mexico is a life-warming experience with endless options. One can even wander in beautiful colonial towns or binge on some tacos. No doubt, it is one of the most visited countries in the world. Number 9. Croatia. The country is known for its picturesque towns, mesmerizing coastal towns, and affordable food and stays. It has one of the best food cultures, and let's not even talk about the beauty of old aged preserved Roman-era ruins. Not to forget the Colosseum in Pula. At most, on an average, $50 a day. Number 10. Philippines. One of the most beautiful and highly visited countries in South Asia. It is one of the most cheapest island countries you can visit in Asia. Trekking in the thick tropical jungles, it is a dream come true for most backpackers. Other attractions? Serene palm trees, clean beaches, and awesome parties.